Welcome everyone. My channel has completed the requirements of a YouTube partner program. Okay, I have completed the 1000 subscribers and also 4000 watch times. So now I will apply for the monetization. Let's move to the sidebar invite studio, and there we will just check for the earn. Okay, earn tab, fire tab, and click on that. After clicking that, you will see now here apply now button. Okay, let's move down, and down you will see the apply now button. Okay, so whenever you click this apply button, it means that you would like to just join the partner program. Okay, YouTube partner program. So now let's place. Okay, we will press the apply now button. So after pressing that button, you will pass with this page. Okay, look at, so here you have 3 steps. You should complete these 3 steps. Okay, first you should complete first step, then second step, then third step. Okay, so let's move to the first step. Okay, let's first of all review. Okay, the first step is review base terms. You should review all the policy of YouTube partner program. So this is just a review that you should look to the what you are applying for, and what you will the taxes and whatever is that. Okay, YouTube partner program. So just check the policy. So after reading all this policy, then you should accept it and continue. Okay, so let's now accept it. Okay, let's accept base term, check that and press accept terms. So after checking that, let's now check the first step has been done. So look at, the first step is done now with us. Now let's move to the second step. Okay, in the second step, press the start button. Okay, to start, it means that you would like to create an AdSense account. The second step is to create an AdSense account. So here you will face 3 options. You have an existing AdSense account for YouTube or AdSense account. Okay, it means that you have already an AdSense account. And the second one is no, I don't know, but I selected yes, I have an AdSense account. So after selecting that option, now let's press continue. If you don't have, just select the second option and continue. So after pressing the continue button, a new tab will be open for you. So you will face the here check the account, okay, in which you have created the AdSense account. So let's check that. So after selecting that, and let's check what happened. Just come here. Here you will see the detail of your AdSense account. Okay, these are all the details of your AdSense account that you have already created on that that email. Okay, these are the details because I have already had the account. So after that, you will face with this page. Okay, let's get you started. So here it means that set up account. Okay, so after set up account, you will move to a new tab. Here you will see redirect to the YouTube. After pressing redirect to the YouTube, so you will paste now back to the YouTube. You will come directly back to the YouTube. Now here you will see the third step is now in progress. It means that YouTube team will now check your YouTube channel. If that was okay, so then you will receive an email that will come to the YouTube partner program, and you can earn money through YouTube now, and they can share ads on your YouTube channel.